Good morning. This is FreshNews.ai's update for February 23rd, powered by FreshNews.ai. Executive operators are racing to build AI visibility intelligence systems, so their brand becomes the one AI recommends by default. Today's signal operators are standing up AI visibility dashboards that treat "Are we the brand AI suggests?" as a primary performance metric, not a side effect. Instead of scattered brand mentions and sentiment reports, leaders want a single view of how consistently their brand is described and paired with key problems and categories. Ownership is shifting from loosely coordinated comms and content teams to a named operator who manages the dashboard as a live system. The shift is from observing brand perception to steering what intelligence systems surface first when a user asks for a solution. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, budget and headcount decisions will follow the brands that can prove movement in being recommended over direct competitors. Second, fragmented reporting hides when AI tools start naming a competitor as the default answer in your category. Third, without a clear owner for AI visibility, teams ship assets that dilute or contradict your core positioning. Fourth, annual planning cycles will lock in another year of spend without a way to tell if it shifts who gets recommended. How it works in practice. A central operator defines a small, fixed set of scenarios where you must be the obvious recommendation, and the dashboard tracks how often your brand appears and how it is described. Brand, comms, and product marketing teams upload key claims, proof points, and flagship assets into a shared inventory that the dashboard uses as the reference narrative. On a recurring cadence, the operator runs checks across common queries and use cases, logging when AI tools surface you, a competitor, or a generic answer. Gaps trigger concrete tasks, tighten messaging, publish clarifying explanations, or reinforce missing associations in specific channels. Leadership reviews the dashboard alongside pipeline and revenue, treating visibility consistency as an input metric they can move. One practical adjustment. This week, appoint a single owner to draft a bare-bones AI visibility dashboard that tracks for your top 5 buyer questions, which brand is most often recommended, and how your brand is described. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, define the 5-10 questions where it would be unacceptable for your brand not to be the recommended answer. Second, assign an operator to own an AI visibility dashboard and specify their reporting cadence to leadership. Third, catalog your current messaging, proof points, and flagship assets into a single accessible reference set. Fourth, set a quarterly target for improving your share of recommendations in those defined questions and tie work streams to it. Thanks for listening to FreshNews.ai, news and insights. See details at FreshNews.ai.